Hello and welcome back to Total Crypto for another video, and in this video we're going to be diving back into JASMY because I still think JASMY can make humongous move to the upside. I've got some information for you guys to let you know exactly where I believe JASMY could be heading in this ultra bull season, but first we need to climb certain hurdles before we do so. So if you're a hodler, holding, or even if you're a naysayer when it comes down to JASMY, this video is just for you. So guys, do me all a favor, why don't you stick around with me for this video? So let's roll the intro. Hello guys and welcome back to Total Crypto. So in this video, as we can see right now with JASMY on the monthly chart, that we just need to break this move right over here. Now if we were to zoom in a bit more, you will see from where we are till about at least this horizontal line, which would be ultimately our resistance line, that it will be another 81%, sorry, that's too high, around about 76% move to the upside. That is still huge trade to be had, because if you're spot trading this or margin trading this, you can margin trade maybe like 2-3x, but I wouldn't go anything as much or as high as that, depending on what's your risk appetite. And once again guys, this is not financial advice, just showing you exactly what I'm doing, and you may follow along with me if you wish to do so, or for entertainment, or even for just speculation in terms of where we can see potentially where JASMY could head. Either way guys, just by looking at this chart, we just need to break this area over here, which I believe it is imminent. But before we do so, we still need to clear 76% move to the upside. Because we've made such a huge move here, I wouldn't be surprised if we do come back to possibly retest these two lines over here as a support before ultimately we make a move doing something like this, and then all the way up to that 76% from this high at our current price. But if this move does play out, it will give us from the bottom right to the top of that horizontal line of that first or second resistance of 269% move to the upside. But if we look to our left, we've still got all this red candle to clear. So if I was to zoom out a little bit, for the monthly chart, it looks like from our current price, if we do hold anywhere here and we do punch 3, 2, 1, and if we do push away back up to its all-time high on the KuCoin exchange, that will give you precisely 690% move to the upside. That is still a pretty decent move guys. That couldn't very well be your 6 or 7x your initial trading funds, but I reckon we can go much higher than that. But before we do so, let's delete all of our lines so you can see exactly what I'm looking at. Let me just delete all the lines for you right now. Right, so I will literally do a Fibonacci retracement tool right from the top of that wick here, because that could give us a massive bold prediction of what could come from JASMY, quite possibly in this bull season. And it wouldn't be out of the realm, because remember, this is crypto after all. So I've just measured it right from the top. I'll go down to the very bottom, or close to the bottom, and if we zoom out on the charts, it looks like we can still see JASMY heading up to $1.36 to the upside. Now if we were to do that guys, this would remind me of XRP a little bit, and I wouldn't be surprised if we did anything like this. That'd be quite an insane move to the upside. How much percentage would we get if we go all the way up to $1.36% move to the upside? That would give us a staggering 5,046% move to the upside. I don't know, guys. What do you reckon? Do you reckon it's doable? Do you reckon this won't happen at all with Jasmy? Are you currently holding Jasmy? And if so, how many bags are you holding? Or maybe you just don't like Jasmy at all because you didn't hear any FUD come out from it. You hear so much speculation from the creators and everyone else pushing perhaps Jasmy. All I'm telling you guys, I have been in cryptocurrency for quite a few numbers of manic years, and sometimes you don't need to hear too much of fundamentals or speculation. All we need to know when it comes down to fundamentals is this project still alive? Can we at least reach to our previous all-time high? The answer is yes. It's just a question of when. And guys, don't be too selfish or just marrying one particular coin. If I was you, I would most definitely, spread, your cryptocurrency journey. 3, 2, 1. I'll most definitely diverse my. Or 3, 2, 1. I would most definitely 3, 2, 1. I'll most definitely diversify my hodling bags, because at the end of the day, all of the bags that you're holding currently for different cryptocurrency could in fact hit its all-time high. It all depends on how you allocate, your funds to certain coins. But if you're a big believer of Jasmy, then $1.36 is not out of the realms. That's 5,000% move to the upside from here. So I will leave that as that, and we will come back to this chart the moment we do break up. The moment we do break up and above from this massive resistance line. And once we do, guys, guess what? We're going to be coming right back to a Jasmy video so we can create more content on this cryptocurrency and not be like I told you so, but we're going to be discussing how much higher can we go depending how quickly we do clear this area of here, and to prove to you guys that you shouldn't be fearful and you shouldn't be hating on any projects. If you're diamond holding and you got multiple coins that you're hodling, this could be a very good one as well, guys, and it's quite achievable. Either way, I will leave it as that, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do so right over here. If you'd like to see my last video, click on over here, and I'll see you all in the next one.